Hey guys, just a quick introduction to this video. This video is going to be the prep work before I move on to actually detailing the car, but there will be a part 2 to this which will include polishing, ceramic coating, as well as a complete wheels off detail. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned for part 2, which is coming in just a few days. Okay, so that's going to be about it for part 1, the decontamination wash. There's one thing I want to address because I get this question from time to time, and that is why I don't always use a clay bar. And to be honest, the answer is pretty simple. Whenever the paintwork feels very smooth, like if you can't feel any contamination with your hand, I think it's a waste of time, because I know I'm going to be doing a multiple step paint correction. And when there is, such little contamination, or no contamination at all, anything that may be on the surface will get picked up by the microfiber cutting pad. And I've never had any issues with this affecting the finish or, my results or whatever really. But that being said, I'll put a few clips on the screen of what's to come for part 2. It's a pretty small car, but it's been a pretty big project. I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope to see you guys again in a few days for part 2. Maybe even 2 videos are coming next week. Oh, and also I want to thank you guys for all the positive feedback on the latest video, which was a little bit of a different format than what you guys are used to. But there were so many positive comments. I will definitely continue to make those type of videos in the future. I'm gonna wrap the video up here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.